Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If you are trying to check your video views or engagement stats on TikTok, but the analytics page is completely blank, missing, or not updating, this is usually caused by your account type settings or a simple server delay. I have verified the latest platform guidelines, and I will show you exactly how to fix this and reveal your data right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason analytics are completely missing is that your profile is currently set to a personal account. TikTok only provides detailed data metrics to professional accounts. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, select Settings and Privacy, and tap on Account. If you see Switch to Business Account or Creator Account, tap it and complete the free setup. Your Analytics tab will immediately become available. Next, if you just switched your account type or recently posted a brand new video, your analytics will not appear immediately. TikTok servers operate on coordinated universal time and can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours to fully process and display new engagement metrics. If your analytics page shows no data for a recent upload, you simply need to wait a day or two for the system to catch up. Finally, if you already have a business account and have waited several days but your stats are still frozen, your app's temporary data might be corrupted. Go to your Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down to free up space, and tap Clear next to your cache. Once cleared, head to your device's App Store or Google Play Store and ensure your TikTok app is fully updated to the latest version to patch any software bugs blocking your dashboard. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.